Now, lambing season is the busiest time of the year for sheep farmers right across the country.
Yes, early mornings, late nights, and sometimes hundreds of gorgeous little lambs in just a 3-week window.
Deric is in the thick of it in Carlingford. We're looking for the names for the lambs. 0896 111 111. Send them in. Deric, how are we getting on?
Well, Tommy, we had petrol and diesel. We also have fuzzy and what was the other? Fuzzy and cotton. Yeah, they're hungry little babies here this morning. Welcome here to Carlingford and County Louth. We're on the McGuinness family farm. We have got Annie here with us. Good morning to you, Annie.
Well, Deric, how are you keeping?
Yeah, great to be down here this morning. First of all, a big shout out to Mum and Dad who were tuned in. They came out with tea and biscuits and scones and everything this morning. It was great.
I'm telling you, they're keeping you in business, huh?
Well looked after. Anyway, tell us a little bit about the family farm.
So we're farming here in Carlingford and the Cooley Peninsula.
Yeah.
We have a good load of sheep, predominantly Suffolk Cross Texel. So we started lambing there on the 10th of March, and you know, it was a hectic time. Very, very busy.
Yeah, absolutely. We spoke about it earlier. I mean, we've had 3 months of really bad weather.
Yeah,
and I mean, you're lucky to even get them out now.
Yeah, now, we were very lucky. Our first 2 weeks of lambing, do you know, like, the weather was lovely. But the last week of lambing, and of course the busiest week of lambing, they just took out and the weather was absolutely awful. So look, we were lucky enough we had plenty of space in the shed because loads of sheep had lambed.
Yep.
So we just made big play pens and the sheep and the lambs were able to stay inside nice and dry. But look, you still had to go out and worry about the ones outside, and lucky enough now they'd plenty of shelter on the trees and that, but of course there was a few casualties, just like this wee lamb here. This bra, I saved her now. She had hypothermia and brought her back to life now, but she was nearly a goner.
Really?
Yeah,
and she's flying it here this morning.
Oh, she's flying out.
Give us your own background then.
Well, look, born and raised here in Carlingford. We've always had sheep here. My father's always farmed a couple of sheep. And
you studied in Galway?
Studied agriculture and environmental management in Mount Bellew Agricultural College and ATU in Galway. Absolutely loved it.
You loved it, and of course you went over to study and you went over to farm over in the UK for a bit as well.
Yeah, so in second year we got the chance to go for placement. And I was originally going down to Tipperary to lamb sheep, and one of the girls, now my good friend Laura, she was heading over to Cumbria, and they said, oh sure, bring a friend. So I was like, oh sure, you know what, I'll go on for the crack, and absolutely loved it. And I ended up going back that summer then, and I went back every summer during college, and I worked over there for nearly a year then when I finished college. So
let's talk about online and TikTok and social media and Instagram.
Yeah.
I mean, you're huge. You've about 80,000 followers almost, and you've a massive following online. When did you start posting?
Oh, sure, look, I've been posting this years, but only really the last year I just started to put a real effort into it and that. And yeah, it's just taken off. I mean,
it's exploded.
Yeah,
hasn't it?
Everyone loves seeing the new life come into the world and the problems us farmers face on a daily basis.
Which is great, and I suppose being a female farmer as well and a young farmer, I suppose you can relate to people. How important is it to keep women in farming?
Oh sure, we are the backbone of every farm, you know.
Absolutely, I'm from a farm myself, so and I have 4 sisters. So the Cooley Sheep Breeders Association, you're involved with them as well?
I am indeed, yeah. So the Cooley Sheep Breeders, we've been on the go for over 15 years. So really the main event of the year is our sale in September. It's on the first Saturday every September. And farmers from all over the peninsula, from Ballymac roundabout down to Omeath, come together and we sell our local produce, the lambs and hoggets, you know, that we've been rearing this last year or two.
Yeah, and of course you keep the sheep local to the area, so you can only buy within the locality, is that correct?
So you can only sell local sheep, but people come from far and wide to buy our
them.
stock.
To sell them. Great. I mean, the future of sheep farming, where are we at?
Ah, sure. plenty of future there. You know, you just have to ignore the headlines, ignore the news, and keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah, and
You know,
obviously you have a full-time job and like you're
I
working
do
part-time
indeed.
as well.
Yeah. I work full time for a company called EPS Water. I've been with them now for 3 years, working as an environmental technician. I love it.
And you do this on the side.
This is the side hustle, yeah.
Well, come here. We're going to finish out the side hustle here this morning because we're going to dose some hoggets, and we have them already in the pen here this morning. So you're going to show us how it's done. Why would you dose them?
Well, I just like to dose them with a bit of cobalt, B12 and selenium, just to keep them thriving. You know, it gives them a lovely glow.
Okay, you
and
show us how
keeps
it's done there.
Keeps them healthy. Now, this one here is actually a yo that got mastitis, and she'll be going. She'll not be staying.
Yeah.
But these here now are hoggets. So these were last year's lambs.
Okay, and I'm going to give this little fella here a go. You hold that in your back then. So underneath, yeah.
These were last year's lambs, yeah.
Okay, here we go. There we go.
Oh, good man.
Do I have a job at the sheep farm?
Yeah, I'll give you a job. No bother.
Come here, where can we find out more online?
So I've got an Instagram, Annie McGuinness, and TikTok as well. Just my name.
All right. Okay, Annie, thanks for taking us around the family farm. To Mum and
bother
Dad
at
as well.
all.
And to all at the Cooley sheep breeders. I know they're all tuned our way this morning. But for me, back to Studio Undone. We're gonna
Thank you, Derek. Very quickly, we've got some punny names.
We want some names, right? We've Ed Sheeran, we've Lady Baba, Fleece Witherspoon, Anne Hathaway, Sherlock Holmes, Wooly Nelson, Barbara Streisand.
Can you beat him? 0896 111 111. Back with you shortly on Ireland AM.
Bye.